It's been a while. Ha pasado mucho tiempo.
I'm Sandy. Yo soy Sandy, and this is Sang. Y él es Sang. We left our jobs in Los Angeles to road trip down Latin America. Dejamos nuestros trabajos en Los Ángeles para recorrer América Latina with our beloved Tommie, con nuestra querida Tomalinda. Join us on our adventure. Acompáñanos en nuestra aventura.
Hola, buenas. ¿Puedo tener un choco banano, por favor?
Sí, con coco, con nuez o con chispas.
Con nuez. Do you want something from here? What? Do you want something from here? What do you want? Oh, the same thing? Okay. Dos, por favor. Gracias. We're like in mid-December. Estamos a medias de diciembre and we're still in Mexico. Y todavía estamos en México. I have a lot to catch you guys up on. Tengo mucho que enseñarles. So we're gonna go back to where we last left off. Entonces vamos a regresar donde últimamente los dejé, where we pick up our first hitchhiker, donde recogemos a nuestra primera autoestopista. In the meantime, we'll enjoy these. Por mientras vamos a disfrutar de estas. Oh, how cute!
Our first hitchhiker is a cute mom on her way to drop off dishes for her daughter's first apartment. Nuestra primera autoestopista es una linda mamá en rumbo a dejar platos para el primer apartamento de su hija. After being in a small town, being in a city is such a treat. Después de pasar tiempo en un poblado, estar en una ciudad es una delicia. Finally, there's fresh fruits, veggies, and sweets. Al fin hay frutas frescas, vegetales y dulces. We sadly have to say goodbye to the grocery store's cold AC. Tristemente decidimos decir adiós al aire acondicionado del mercado. And we get back on the Mexico 1 highway. Y regresamos a la carretera México 1. We arrived to this lonesome fishing village well into the bright night. Llegamos a este poblado de pescadores solitarios en la noche brillante. And we bask in the new moon y disfrutamos de la luna llena. The next morning, we meet Riley, an American living in this fishing village. A la mañana siguiente, conocemos a Riley, un americano viviendo en este poblado de pescadores. Riley, having lived here for so long, shares a lot of advice regarding driving through Mexico, as he did this drive back in the 70s. Habiendo vivido aquí por tanto tiempo, nos comparte muchos consejos con respecto a conducir por México, ya que él hizo el mismo viaje en los años 70. Riley then talks to the local fishermen and gets us the biggest oysters we've ever seen. And by far, they were the best we've ever had. Riley nos conecta con las ostras más grandes que hemos visto, y fueron las mejores que hemos tenido. Having no ice or the patience to plate the oysters, we ate them by hand, with some huichol sauce, which is hot sauce, and lemon. Al no tener hielo, o la paciencia para poner las ostras en un plato, lo comimos a mano, con salsa de huichol y limón. However, these oysters are difficult to open, especially without the proper knife. Sin embargo, estas ostras eran bastante difíciles de abrir, especialmente sin el cuchillo adecuado, which ultimately led to some accidents, que condujo finalmente a unos accidentes. Already regarding to Riley as a wise sage, he further impresses us by busting out his paramedic skills and coming to our rescue. Ya respetando a Riley como un sabio, aún más nos impresionó con sus habilidades de paramédico y rescatándonos. We give the rest of the oysters to Riley as a thank you, as we also didn't want to risk our arteries opening another one. Le damos el resto de las ostras a Riley como agradecimiento por encontrarlas, como tampoco queríamos arriesgar nuestras arterias abriendo otra.
Greg then invited us to come over and watch him cook the fish Riley caught that morning. Después, Greg nos invitó a verlo cocinar el pescado que Riley pescó en la mañana. Thanks for being the chef, Greg. Gracias por ser el cocinero. Also a fellow Californian, Greg has served Baja since his youth, and he had much wisdom to share as well. También siendo americano, Greg ha surfeado en Baja desde su niñez, y tenía muchos consejos que dar.
The next morning, I took off for a quick rinse while Tommie kept me company. A la mañana siguiente, partí para una ducha rápida, mientras Tommie me hizo compañía.
Alright, onwards to find showers. I know I took the wrong turn. Yeah, let's see if I find it. On my way to shower, on my way to shower. Look at these cool cactuses. Yeah, Tom. Yeah. How cool is this? It's so nice. These cactuses are beautiful. And some birds, holes like that, are usually birds living in there. It's so cute, or nesting in there. It's so cute. Very beautiful. Such a beautiful place. Oh, I see, we're getting close. Tommy, what do you see, Tom? Who knows? That's the I found something Tommie post.
The showers here are breezy to say the least, with no privacy, and it was about a 10-minute walk. La ducha aquí tiene mucho viento, por decirlo menos, sin privacidad y como 10 minutos caminando de donde estábamos. Behold, the fanciest fancy shower. He aquí la ducha de lujo más elegante that sits on top of a booming beehive que se encuentra encima de una colmena.
So I think the bees have formed. There's a beehive under the shower. All right. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Don't get stung, don't get stung, don't get stung. Oh. You're not drowning. Oh, jeez, they're everywhere. Oh my gosh. Oh no, another time. Ah, why are you here, bees? Okay. Oh. Well, I didn't get stung. I want to head back. Thanks for waiting, Tom Tom. We're going this way, girl. Yeah. Hi, beautiful horses. Oh, you're so pretty. Alright, time to head back.
With the hot climate, I was pretty much dry by the time we got back to the van. Con el clima caliente, ya estaba seca cuando regresé a la camioneta.
We say goodbye to Riley, who gives Sang fishing advice and also gives us a departure gift, which was a book on sailing through Baja. Nos despedimos de Riley, quien le da consejos de pesca a Sang, y también nos da un regalo de adiós, que es un libro sobre la navegación por Baja.
Darren Tripp, Janet Lee. I'm Guy Raz, and you've been listening to Ideas.